sometimes stuff just gets to the office, like these two. Apparently something that should work together, definitely, because it says right back here. These are from Pitaka. This is a case specifically for an S10 Plus, and this is a car mount, a mag mount with Qi wireless charging. Look at that. Seamless carrying experience. It is the thinnest phone case made from bulletproof materials. How do we open this? Oh, there's a seam here. Ooh, magnets. Pitaka phone case. Okay, that's good. Let's see the. Whoa! What the? This feels good. Wow. Compatible with Pitaka magnetic mount. This looks like it has that carbon fiber look, Feels super soft. This is very thin. I'm not a case type of guy, but if this stays as flush to my S10 Plus as I think it's going to, I may be giving this a permanent shot. Honestly, I like it. Okay, now let's check out the magnetic Qi mount. Supports 10 watts of fast wireless charging, active fan cooling, safer charging, made with aramid fiber and zinc. Okay, so double thank you. So if you guys ever read this stuff, you're the only ones. Like, seriously. So now we're getting to the good stuff. What do we get here? Okay, we get the wireless charger. Same feeling, same sort of material. So yeah, this is definitely the zinc thing. Then you have a cable, which is USB Type-C. Nice. And then two mounting structures. This is not... Yeah, if you're going like this on the road, you shouldn't be hanging your phone through magnets with that type of force going on. But this is sturdy. This is for air conditioning vents. Now this is for the dashboard. This is not moving easily. All right. Put your phone right there like this. Whoa, this is strong. Would not recommend getting your entire phone and just tossing, because that could happen. Let me get my phone. This angle is about to go kaput. Okay, so there was something I was reading about this thing that it's supposed to be scratch resistant. There's a knife that they put on there. So this is why you don't put a picture of your case with a knife going through it if it's not going to survive it. I mean, I had to test it because you guys put it on your website. Come on, I just, never mind. Let's check out the actual case. Ooh, feels so nice. This little sort of carbon fiber feel, and perhaps it's just a rubberized coating that didn't sort of survive the slash. Yep. Actually strong. This is not coming. If your phone falls from your magnetic mount, you are on some bumpy roads, my friend. And we need a ways to charge. Okay. Charging. It works. You can hear the actual vents as well as it's wireless charging. Can you guys hear it? Can you hear it? There's a little vent in there. There's a little vent in there. Now this is cool. I'm impressed with this product. Pitaka. How much are these things? Because so far, the case alone is the best feeling case I've ever used. Okay, I want cases. Let's see cases. The thinness, to be very specific, is 0.85 millimeters, and the case is only 14 grams. So it's not gonna add that much to your phone and not make it bulky anyway. 3D crispy skin. Okay, so keys and coins are not gonna do any damage, but if you actually go through it with a knife, it is going to damage your pristine looking case. And it's $49.99. So $50 for the really premiumly feeling case. How about this? Again, $50. So for the pair, you're looking at a $100 accessory. Would I actually recommend it? Honestly, the case is awesome. This thing for $50 is a really good deal, but you kind of can't take advantage out of this unless you have a magnetic sort of case. I mean, it's not cheap, I know that. You can buy stuff that's cheaper than this, but it's not just the case. You need to remember that the case is the thing holding a potentially over $1,000 investment, which, I mean, paying $50 to be able to ensure that it's going to properly hold your phone in place while it's charging and you don't have to worry about it. Yeah, I really do think this is a pretty good deal. It may not be super cheap, but the quality of what you're getting here is awesome. My only real gripe is the fact that now my case has a big old scratch on its back, but other than that, yeah, Pitaka just got 2 thumbs up. And there you have it. That's been it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. I can't stop looking at that scratch.